Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's quick video is part of a series of videos I'm doing showing how to sell more on eBay. This week's video is the 1 in 10 rule. This strategy is very powerful for increasing margins, especially with dropshipping on eBay. For anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for 23 years and I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. First of all, the 1 in 10 strategy is an advanced dropshipping strategy. If you're a dropshipping beginner and you haven't sold at least 100 dropshipping items, this strategy is not for you. And I'd highly recommend you first start with the dropshipping basics. If you're a beginner, I'll put a link up here to a previous week's video showing how to get started with dropshipping on eBay. Okay, if you've been following me over the years, you'd know that I'm a big fan of only selling proven items. I love proven items as we can use data to show us exactly what to sell instead of any guessing. Using data only makes it much easier to automate the business using low-cost overseas virtual assistants. A long time ago I realised that if I give VAs or virtual assistants the opportunity to guess, there's a greater than 50% chance they'd screw it up. This is why I'm a big fan of using data only to make decisions. Now, once you and or your VAs have mastered the strategy of only selling proven dropship items, and you've sold at least 100 dropship items, you can then implement the 1 in 10 strategy. The 1 in 10 strategy is all about listing brand new to the market items that have just arrived for the first time to your suppliers' warehouses, and items that other dropship sellers have not yet listed. To do this, look for new arrivals from your suppliers. For example, Dropship Zone has a URL that shows new arrivals. Many suppliers also have email notification and they'll automatically email you when they've introduced new items to their warehouse. Each dropship supplier, of course, is different. If you can't easily see your supplier's latest arrivals, you'll need to contact them by email, phone or live chat if they offer live chat. So it's a bit windy today, so apologies for that. Anyway, now the first question that comes up with this strategy is, which of the new arrivals are the best to list? This is exactly why this strategy is an advanced strategy. You and all your VAs need to have enough dropshipping experience to recognize products that are common and popular to dropshipping. This is the reason I don't talk about this strategy to people who are new to dropshipping, as they have no way of recognizing what a common, popular dropshipping item looks like. Once you or your VAs have researched and sold 100 plus proven dropship items, you begin to quickly recognize common dropshipping items. For the 1 in 10 strategy, we tell our VAs to use any item that the supplier sells between $50 to $2,000, and the item looks like a normal, popular dropship item. We leave it up to our VA's discretion about what a normal, popular dropship item looks like. Now, the big advantage of doing this 1 in 10 strategy is you very often can get high margins and high sales due to no competition or very low competition. When listing 1 in 10 items, make sure that you flip the image to make it harder for competitors to find your supplier. And also, make sure that you fully optimize each listing. As you know, when you fully optimize each listing, it'll stop competitors as they'll see your listing and they'll think that it's way too hard for them to compete with you. When doing the 1 in 10 strategy, you'll normally not have a competitor to compete with. So for optimization, you need to just use all the optimization techniques that you'd normally use for other proven dropship listings. I'm not going to go into eBay dropshipping optimization in this video as I've done that before, but if you missed that video, I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anybody can make a full-time living from their home without leaving their home and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.